Yes, I do! I got you!
What you have just seen is a clip from Oscar-nominated movie The Batman that came out last year in the year 2022. It's a great movie, but let's find out if its physics is also based in the real world and just as great. Today, me and Chicken will find out. Equations: delta P equals F delta T, and delta P equals M delta V, and F net equals MA. We can estimate the weight of the Batmobile by finding the real-life car that they used to base off of the Batmobile in the movie. So estimating that, we find that the weight of the Batmobile is 3,682 pounds, and its max speed is 211 miles per hour, or 97.3 meters per second. And Penguin's car that he's driving is a Maserati, which is 4,409 pounds, and its max speed would be 203 miles per hour, or 90.7 meters per second. We also know that the truck ramp angle would be 16.5 degrees, and we can also assume that the ramp length is 10.5 feet, and that the Dodge Charger length is 17.3 feet, and that the Maserati length would have to be 17.2 feet. We then need to find the car displacement for Penguin's car, so we used Robert Pattinson's real life height to get that. So we found out that to calculate step length, you would need to find the height in inches and multiply that by 0.415. So he's 6'1", so that's 73 inches. So we did 73 times 0.415 to get approximately 30.7 feet per step. And then we counted that it took him 19 steps to get to Penguin's car. So that would be about 583.3 feet, which would equal 177.8 meters. And for the time of impact, it was at 3 frames at 30 FPS, so we did 3 divided by 30 to get 0.1 second. So now that we got all of our calculations and estimates for the numbers, we substitute them into the equations. So we did 4,409 times 90.7 minus 24.2 to get 293,198. And then for the equation P equals F delta T, we do 293,198.5 divided by 0.1 to get F, which would be 0.1 divided by 0.1. So F would have to equal 2,931,985. So the Batmobile hit Penguin's car with 3 million newtons, which is 674,000 pounds of force.
So if you think about it, Batman hit him with over 2 million newtons of force, and a car cannot produce that much in a real life situation. Yay!